Main task to report the competence for all future teachers in the teacher education curriculum. Teacher education curriculum. The competencies previously stated are now translated into outcomes. These are the outcomes we need to see in every graduate. So, ini-graduate nato ning kinahanglan natay goals or natay outcomes when it comes to our professions. Next is teacher education program outcomes. Teacher educational programs. At the end of the degree plan for elementary or secondary teaching, the future teacher must have demonstrated the basic and higher levels of literacy for teaching and learning. So, dapat daw ang as a graduate, dapat kining mas competence or mas high ang high ang expectation sa mga estudyante sa ato in regards sa ato ang mga lecture or mga lessons. Next is demonstrated deep and principle understanding of the teaching learning process. So, dapat sa atong mga lesson na atay mas nasabtan nato or mas natay deep na understanding towards our lessons. Next is mastered and apply the subject matter content and pedagogical principles appropriate for teaching and learning principles. So naman tayo ginasunod na mga pedagogy or mga principles, so dapat i-apply nato to kung magtudlo. Next is apply the wide range of teaching related skills in curriculum development, instructional material production, learning and assessment, and teaching delivery. So, dapat pag magkwanta sa atong lesson, dapat creative kayo atong nagamit ta og mga materials na atong makita na magamit ato sa atong paggawa sa atong lessons. Next is articulated and applied clear understanding of how educational practices relate to political, historical, social and cultural context. So dapat when it comes sa ato ang pag-discuss atong mga discussions, dapat naka-base siya sa real life situation or real life background. Next is facilitate learning in various classroom setting in diverse learners coming from different cultural backgrounds. So dapat i-apply nato diri ang inclusive teaching. So dapat na walay exemption sa mga estudyante, dapat ato silang tratuhon fair. Next is experience direct field and clinical activities in the teaching milieu and observer teaching assistant or practice teacher. So dapat kung teacher ta, dapat natay mas diri or natay mas high nga experience sa ato ang napili nga course ini gimana to graduate. Next is created and innovated alternative teaching approaches to improve student learning. So dapat katong dingan kanina na pag mag-teach ta sa atong mga estudyante, dapat ang atong mga creative ta, dapat ning mas high, mas engaging ang atong mga discussions. Next is practice professional and ethical standard anchored for both local and global perspective. So dapat contextualize ang ato ang mga topic na nakabase sa environment or background na nakapalibot sa school community. Next is pursued continuously lifelong learning for personal and for professional growth as a teacher. Dapat isang teacher na dapat nasa atong mindset nga mas mag-improve pa, mas mo-develop ang atong teaching skills. Next is content and pedagogy achieve the outcome. First is the foundation courses. Sa aking foundation courses is sa akong nabantayan karon, most of the topics are nasa first year, pariyaning child and adolescent learners and learning principle, the teacher and the society, the teaching profession, school culture, organization and leadership, foundation of special and inclusive education. So next is B, pedagogical content knowledge courses. So we have facilitating learner-centered teaching and learning, assessment of learning, technology for teaching and learning, the teacher and the school curriculum, building and enhancing literacy skills across the curriculum, content and pedagogy of the mother tongue for elementary education, and next is the teaching the major field subjects or for secondary subject years. Next is major courses for the secondary and the selected subject area content for the elementary. First is field study courses or field observation, practice teaching, classroom observation, teaching assistance, full immersion. So, diri mo na ni siya ang kanang ni mag actual na tagtudlo sa mga estudyante sa taong bana. Di mo kanang mo ba? Okay. Next is method of teaching and teaching delivery mode. The method of teaching should be varied to address the different kinds of learners. So dapat pag magtudlo sa ating estudyante dapat nakabase sa capabilities sa itong mga students or sa ilang makaya ra or mag-adjust ta kung tama ng ilang makaya. Next is assessment of learning. College learning shall be assessed in similar manner as all other means of assessment. So dapat kung sa kanang eskwelahan curriculum nila sa pagtulo sa mga college students is dapat pantay lang bisag lahi nga eskwelahan dapat maoryo dapat ang ilahang mga goals dapat ana nila bisag unsa nga ma assessment. So orto